Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing kitchen appliance that has caught our eye, the Typhur Sync Oven, a 12-in-1 air fryer toaster combo. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Typhur Sync Oven? This is not just your average toaster oven, it's a multifunctional powerhouse designed to simplify your cooking experience. With a generous 27-quart capacity, this countertop appliance combines the capabilities of an air fryer, toaster oven, and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Let's talk about the standout features. First off, it's been ranked as the best toaster oven of 2026 by Ratings, praised for its fast preheat times, stable temperature control, and exceptional air frying capabilities. It even boasts the world's first built-in wireless meat thermometer probe, which allows you to cook with precision. This smart probe tracks the core temperature of your food in real time, automatically shutting off when your dish reaches the desired doneness. No more guesswork or overcooked meals. Another exciting feature is the new Typhur Smart AI recipe generation. With this, you can simply capture a photo of your ingredients or enter a dish name, and the oven will generate a custom recipe for you. This means you can turn your ingredients into amazing meals without the usual trial and error. The Typhur Sync Oven is perfect for anyone from novice cooks to seasoned chefs. If you're someone who enjoys cooking but finds it challenging to get everything just right, this oven is for you. It's also a great solution for busy families who want to prepare healthy meals quickly. The 12 cooking modes, including roast, bake, air fry, and dehydrate, provide endless possibilities for meal prep. Practical use cases are abundant. You can easily whip up a delicious 12-inch pizza, roast a 6-pound chicken, or toast 6 slices of bread all at once. The 360-degree turbo convection system ensures that your food cooks evenly and crisply, using less oil than traditional frying methods. Plus, with the app control feature, you can monitor cooking progress right from your phone, giving you the freedom to multitask. The Typhur Sync Oven also supports a wide temperature range of 85 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and comes equipped with 5 probe presets for different types of meat. This versatility means you can experiment with various recipes and techniques, from baking cookies to dehydrating fruits. Another practical aspect to consider is the magnetic probe storage and ultra-fast charging. The probe conveniently docks on the oven when not in use, charging quickly to ensure you're always ready for your next cooking adventure. In summary, the Typhur Sync Oven is an innovative kitchen appliance that makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're looking to simplify weeknight dinners or explore new culinary creations, this oven has the features to support your cooking journey. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.